G'day guys, it's Adam here. Today's question is the difference between halogen and LED. A lot of the new vehicles are actually moving to LED lights at the moment. So you look at the Narva Raptor behind us, that's got LED fitted standard, but because it's factory, it's legal. When it comes to replacement of a halogen globe, which is just a standard globe like this on the older vehicles, the Australian design rules actually say that you should be replacing halogen globe with a globe that has a filament. A lot of the time now there's a big push towards fitting an aftermarket globe like an LED one here that Narva produces. Lots of advantages for an LED globe like this, but the fact that it actually doesn't have a filament and it's what's called a light emitting diode puts it outside that Australian design rules. The Australian design rules are actually rules that car manufacturers and aftermarket suppliers must follow to try and keep things technically legal. Ultimately, Narva have produced higher output halogen globes here, which give a lot more light. But in terms of the actual LED style light, they produce a lot nicer light. The LEDs have a lot of advantages. The advantages around these are that they last like 50,000 hours. They produce a light quality about 5,700 Kelvin, which what that translates to is a much cleaner, much whiter light, which is much nicer for driving in and a lot safer. They're obviously shock and vibration resistant, the fact that they don't have a filament that can rattle around and break. So for off-road use, the fitment of these LED lights is actually fantastic because it just is a lot nicer to use. When it comes to a fully sealed LED light like this, which Narva also produces, these actually are ADR approved. They have on here that they've got the E symbol on there, which is European standards. Anything that meets European standards will meet Australian standards as well. But these, they work differently to just a LED light like that because they actually work off reflectors and they're a fully sealed unit, so that is actually ADR approved. When you come back to the LED actually resembles, the light beam actually resembles pretty much close to the halogen globe that it can, and it actually cuts the beam off at the front. So that actually resembles as close as a halogen globe as you can, although it's not ADR approved. These LED lights are actually starting to take over from all the HID stuff, and moving forwards, that's where we're going to be. I hope that really helps and that answers a question for you all. If you've got any other questions, please leave a comment below and we'll get onto that for you.